Hi and welcome to Angular Data Binding. In last video, we have already seen how we change the title in the TypeScript file and same is displayed in the browser. That is used in our HTML file. It is the data synchronization between view and the controller. In Angular, it is called data binding. Angular data binding is used for communication. It is used to communicate between your TypeScript code, your business logic and the other component which is shown to the users, that is HTML view. There is two type of data binding, one-way data binding and two-way data binding. One-way data binding is a simple one-way communication where HTML template is changed when we make changes in TypeScript code. Angular interpolation or string interpolation or property binding are the examples of one-way data binding. That is, changing values in your TypeScript code will reflect in your template. If you want to emit some value from your template or view, like clicking of any button, and you want to send the response to your TypeScript file, then we can achieve it by event binding. That is also a one-way data binding. And two-way data binding is when you make changes in the model, it will be reflected in the view, and when you make changes in the view, it will be reflected in the model. In two-way data binding, automatic synchronization of data happens between the model and the view. This happens immediately and automatically ensures that the HTML template and the TypeScript code are updated at all times. Now we will see each data binding in detail. Let's start from string interpolation. String interpolation is a one-way data binding technique that is used to transfer the data from a TypeScript code to an HTML template view. That we have already seen how we are changing the title value, and the change is reflected in our view. It uses the template expression in double curly braces to display the data from the component to the view. String interpolation adds the value of a property from the component to the HTML template view. You may notice title's value welcome to Angular component is reflected in our view on the browser. Let's take one more example. We can also use interpolation to invoke a method in a component. Let's make a method, get your method, or you can name anything that returns a string hi user. And let's use this method in template file. Here you go, hi user. We can also perform some mathematical operations like multiply 2 into 2, that is 4, and we can also have other mathematical operations like addition, it gives 10. If you are giving a variable in interpolation that is not defined, that will give you an error. You may notice identifier first name is not defined, so you have to define it in your component, that is TypeScript file, and I'm giving the value as first name. You can notice on the browser first name. We can also concatenate our string with a string like this, hi, and first name, it can be your name, it can be a name coming from your service class and your database. We will see that in later videos. You can use string interpolation in the way you want, but it should not change the state of the app. It should return only string.